Thank you for joining us today at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada, or online at westerngmcbuick.com. Today we're looking at a 2017 Buick Encore Essence. It has a winter berry red exterior and an ebony leather interior, 4 doors with seating for 5. It's equipped with a 1.4 liter engine matched with an automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Inside, you have door storage, speaker in the door, power locks, windows, and mirrors. Power adjustable front seats, including lumbar support, with memory for up to 2 drivers. Beside the steering wheel, you have your lighting controls, and on the side of the steering wheel, this lever allows you to tilt and telescope the steering wheel's position. It is a push-button start, so foot on the brake, key in the car, touch to start. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have your cruise control, and on the opposite side, you have your media controls, including your voice-activated system. On your dash, you can see any important messages you need to be aware of, and you can use these buttons right here. This is a toggle switch to navigate through. Currently, we're looking at info. We can also look at navigation and options. And you'll notice that each of these has its own sub-menu for you to cycle through. So currently, we're looking at speed. We've also got trip A, trip B, fuel range, oil life, tire pressure, and we're back around to speed. Your media center provides you with a touchscreen, however you can use the hard buttons down below. When it comes to audio, you have AM, FM, as well as satellite radio options to navigate through. You could also plug in your own tunes, whether that is popping or connecting a Bluetooth device using USB or aux input. Going back home, this is also the screen for your backup camera. And you have navigation. Down below the hard buttons, you've also got heated front seats, dual zone climate with a heated steering wheel. You have front and rear defrost as well as AC. Your hazard lights and traction control are located right here. And behind that shifter, you've got the USB and aux input as well as 12 volts of power. It is a select shift automatic transmission, and the parking brake is right beside your hand. 2 cup holders, and the driver armrest folds up to give you access to the storage space right here. Overhead, you have OnStar built right into your mirror. You also have overhead lights and universal garage door opener, as well as the controls for the tilt slide sunroof. 18-inch wheels, color keyed side view mirrors, chrome door handles, keyless access, backup camera, rear windshield wiper, and you can easily open the lift gate right from here. Inside, you have that tonneau cover, lights, tie downs, and you even have cubby spaces. Underneath the floor, you got your spare tire, and you'll notice there's a bit of extra room around for essentials. When it comes time to close the lift gate, you can do it easily with just one hand. Rear passengers have door storage, speaker in the door, power windows. You have back seat mesh pockets on the passenger side with a full pocket on the driver's side, and there's seating for 3. What's really unique about the Encore is that the seats don't just fold down, but the bottom parts flip up, and then you can use this lever on the shoulder to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split to give you that nice flat load floor. In the middle, you have a fold-down armrest with 2 cup holders. Overhead, you have hooks, handles, and lighting. Right-hand side gas cap, roof rails, blind spot information system in the side view mirrors with integrated turn signals, and so many more reasons to come and visit us at Western GMC Buick. Or you can visit us anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.